accessory, so I'm okay with that.
Miss Dixon,
Yes,
okay, could you please turn your video?
I'm trying, but it says leaving breakout room and it's stuck on that screen with the 4 loading boxes.
She fine.
36 District Court back in session with the Honorable Reagan Evans presiding. My court's in session. No any talking, and walking around or driving. For your name is called, please give your undivided attention to the court. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. This is the People versus Alexis Dixon, ticket number P1336321, count 1, render assistance to drag race in any manner, spectator. Good afternoon, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Alexis Dixon.
Yes, Alexis Dixon here.
Your Honor, Ms. Dixon's matter was set for trial today. The officers not appeared when moving for dismissal.
Not assistance without prejudice. It was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's 12:19. The only reason why we're just now doing it is because she was unable to leave the breakout room. So she's very patiently been waiting for us to call her case. So your matter is dismissed, Ms. Dixon. You're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the People versus Charmaine Dyson, ticket number SP 1199570, count 1, reckless driving. Good morning. Please say your name for the record, starting with the people.
Good afternoon, Tamika Horn, appearing on behalf of the people, P70303.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Charmaine Dyson.
Officer Byrd, can you say your name for the record?
Officer Byrd, badge 914.
And Officer Byrd, it's my understanding that there are also 2 other police officers available for testimony today.
Yes, they had to zoom in, yes.
Can you say your name for the record?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear.
Ms. Dyson, can you say your name for the record?
Charmaine Dyson.
All right, Ms. Soroki, how does your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation. At this time, my client wishes to avail herself of that.
Is that the offer?
The offer, Your Honor, would be drag racing.
Okay. Raise your right hand, Ms. Dyson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki in private about your case and your right.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yeah.
Are you saying yes?
I'm not guilty of reckless driving. I'm accepting the plea.
But I'm asking, are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I want to direct your attention to the date of July 14, 2021 at 12:46 p.m. On that date time, were you at or near Greenfield and Plymouth in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2019 Dodge vehicle?
yes, I was.
At this point, I'm going to allow Ms. Soroki to voir dire because I'm just gonna ask if she was recklessly driving, and I'm sure that she's gonna say no. So go ahead, Ms. Soroki.
And that date and time in question, you were operating a motor vehicle on the freeway, correct?
Yes,
And were you operating that motor vehicle over the speed limit?
no,
Did you pull off the freeway and then make a turn from a lane that wasn't authorized?
that is a turn lane.
Did you make the right kind of turn?
Yes, I did. I made a right-hand turn.
Okay, Your
onto-
Honor, she's not making a factual basis. I discussed this with her and
She's not.
I made a turn, yes.
No, but you said you made a rightfully, everything you're saying that you did everything correct, so. It
I'm
sounds like-
pleading
So,
guilty.
hold on, Ms.
Correct.
Dyson. So it sounds like you're not guilty. So are we ready to proceed to trial?
The people are ready, Your Honor. And Officer Byrd, are you able to get in touch with the other 2 officers so that they can zoom in for trial today?
Yes.
I don't want to go to trial.
That sounds like you want to make admissions either, because we've tried that and you're not.
I am ready to make an admission, Your Honor.
Were you recklessly driving?
Yes.
Satisfied.
All right, court's officer satisfied, will amend the count to drag racing, will proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by November 28th?
I have a question.
Oh, Your Honor, the statute limits drag racing to $100. It's under the state, I don't think Detroit has its own code, but under the state code, it's $100, 90 days. I looked it up.
Any responses, Horn?
You muted, Madam Prosecutor.
Thank you, sir, court reporter. Hold on, if I can have a moment to double check. Penalties for drag racing in Michigan: fines up to 100 and license suspension for up to a year.
All right, so the court will set a fine of $100. Can you have that fine paid by November 28th?
Yes, I will, Your Honor. I do have a question
Okay.
in regards to what Ms. Horn just mentioned with the fine and suspension. Will my license be suspended?
I didn't read that there was a mandatory suspension.
Right, that would be up to the Secretary of State, but let me take a look, Ms. Dyson, okay?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see, let me take a look. I'm gonna go to the offense code. It states drag racing, it defines it. It's 4 points, no licensing action, misdemeanor. It does abstract to your Secretary of State record, so it will go on your record. However, I do not see a mandatory suspension, as does the reckless driving has.
Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Any other questions?
No, not at this time.
Okay, so you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you for your time today. How do I make the payment?
You can make it online. There's kiosks around the city and CVS and Meyer called DivDat, D-I-V-D-A-T. You can pay it at the kiosk. You can come down to the courthouse and pay it, or you can pay it over the phone. I can give you the phone number whenever you're ready.
Yes, would I be able to pay that today?
I would wait till tomorrow just to make sure it makes it onto the system.
Okay, may I have the phone number, please?
It's 855-798-1547.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, ma'am.